getting signals from MRO.
Tango Delta.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars, ready to begin seeking the signs of past life.
Heat shield set.
Perseverance is now slowed to subsonic speeds.
Applicate indicate chute deployed.
The navigation has confirmed that the parachute has deployed, and we are seeing significant deceleration meters off the surface of Mars. We have started our constant velocity accordion, which means we are conducting the sky crane, about to conduct the sky crane maneuver.
Heat shield set.
Perseverance is now slowed to subsonic speeds, and the heat shield has been separated. This allows both the radar and the camera to get their... Sky crane maneuver has started, about 20 meters off the surface.